secured Airsport Award already. And now he is achieving this award as second runners-up of Mr. Karbi Anglong 2021. Mr. Karbi Anglong 2021. The first runners-up of Mr. Karbi Anglong 2021 is contestant number 2. Congratulations, contestant number 2. He secured the first runners-up of the give this award. Congratulations to him for securing this award. Jason Keron giving this award to of Mr. Karbi Anglong 2021. Now, the winner of Mr. Karbi Anglong 2021 is contestant number 8! Congratulations, contestant number 8. You are the winner of Mr. Karbi Anglong 2021. And to give this award, I would like to request Jason Keron to give this award to. What a moment we are having here at this point in time. We are giving this award to all the winners from this category. And of course, contestant number 8, moment to celebrate for him. And of course, a proud moment for his friends, his siblings, his family, his brothers, his sisters. Congratulations to him for securing this award. Region Open contestant number 8, winner of Mr. Karbi Anglong 2021. Thank you.